It says for industrial use only. I'm probably using this illegally. Alright, today I'm up at the 2-bedroom rental and I'm about ready to finish it up. One thing I like to do when I'm putting in new floors is put some type of a sealer on it, even if there are no wax. Especially on this laminate stuff, because they're making it really cheap nowadays, and it's if you feel like where the pieces go together, they don't go together exactly. What the finish does, I believe, get it down into that crack and kind of seal it up. So even if you never put the finish on again after the first time, your floor is going to last longer. The floor that I took up out of here was here for about 20 years, or maybe a little longer than 20 years. I put some floor finish down on it, maybe multiple times, but I think the most important part is doing it at the first time after you lay it down, because then you won't get the water getting in between the boards as easily. The pieces of laminate, I guess. The last laminate I put in the kitchen here, it didn't last a couple of years because it started peeling up. So I don't know if I can get any to last another 20 years, just because it's being made cheaper, I believe now. At least that's the way it seems like. And I am comparing apples to apples, because this is also pretty much the cheapest laminate you can buy that I put in here. And the stuff that lasted 20 years was even way cheaper than this, but it was still the cheapest. Back then it was like 49 cents a square foot or something like that. Now it's $2, $1.99 for the cheapest you can get. So anyway, this stuff I'm using today, you probably can't even buy this stuff. I got this a long time ago. It's a 2-part. This isn't the stuff I used last time, but I just have this and I just want to use it. It says for industrial use only. I'm probably using this illegally. I don't know. But it's called Tech 4 water-based wood floor finish. I have used this before, but it was on a wood floor. It's pretty durable. But what you really want to use that you can get easily is just regular, like, buffable floor finish. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can get it at Home Depot, but I know you can order it online. That's where I usually get it. A little bit of hardener in there, mix it up. And the other stuff that you're gonna get, the buffable floor finish, is not a 2-part thing. You apply it the same way though. Now, this one you do get like at Home Depot or something. It's just a lamb's wool applicator, and just screw it onto a broom handle. Okay. So you want to make sure that the floor is really, really clean as it can be. That's why I like to do it when I first put the floor down, or I usually try to do the floors last, which we kind of did after the paint and everything. I'd still try to clean it up as I go too, if I see a hair or something. These things hold a lot of finish. Okay. I try kind of not to get it on the trim. Also, I just wear my socks and wear shoes. And it's super duper easy and fast to do this, so Okay. Barely had enough for one coat on that one, because I didn't mix up enough. Okay, we're in a little bitty laundry room. And this is not laminate floor, this is the luxury vinyl plank. So, I don't think it's quite as critical on this stuff. I think this stuff's more durable, really. I could be wrong about that, though. I don't have any long-term tests on this stuff. But it seems like it's more durable. Alright, this one is quick because it's so small. With the buffable floor finish, you can really, if you have a machine, you can really buff it out and keep it shiny. But I don't think this is buffable. This product, I could be wrong, but it's really not that big of a deal for you guys because I highly doubt you could even buy this stuff. I bought this stuff like a government auction, and it was like $5 for a 5-gallon jug. So I think I got like 5 pails of it. I don't know what I thought I was gonna do with it, but it's still good like 15 years later. So, well, as far as I know, it's good. Let that dry, and then we'll do like at least one more coat, maybe 2 more coats, depending on how it looks. And if you want to see the whole thing when it's done, you gotta watch. You're gonna have to watch the walkthrough at the end, because this video is I'm just doing the 2 rooms. Okay, that's after one coat. This is all dry. I can walk on this now, but you can see it gives it a little bit of a shine. So I'm gonna go ahead and put number 2 coat on it. Okay, second coat. I'm definitely not going to put a 3rd coat on because it's getting streaky over there. I think that'll dry out and look clear, but that's what happens, I think, when you get too thick. At least that's what happened on the other type of floor finish I was using before. Hopefully that'll dry out, because it's really streaky over there. Okay, I don't know if you can see or not. On the far side there's some streaks. So this might be a situation where if it looks good after the 1st coat, just leave it alone. But I'm thinking that'll go away when it dries, but hopefully. But the rest looks fine. Okay, this is what the laminate floor looks like with 2 coats. And the streaks did go away. It looks pretty darn good. And there is something to report on the vinyl plank. I only ended up putting 1 coat on that. Let me show you that. So I think it looks okay, but I'm gonna recommend not worrying about the vinyl plank, because if you look close, you'll see that it just kind of puddled up, like almost like you're like after you've waxed a car, you get the beating of the, you know how water beads up. Anyway, it didn't evenly coat. I guess I could try another coat, but I really don't. I don't think I'm gonna worry about the. I don't think I'm gonna worry about the vinyl plank. I think it does look okay though. Like this is with the finish, and then this is like without. It's not clean though, but it looks definitely fine without too. So I'm gonna recommend no finish on the plastic floors. So that's the difference between no finish, which I'm definitely gonna put finish on this. This is what I'm talking about. The edge of the every board, you got that little like you can feel it, and I think that the finish is gonna help seal that. Yeah, hopefully. Anyway, there it is. If you want to see the total floor done, watch my final walkthrough video of this house. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. Remember to like and subscribe, and remember to watch my final walkthrough of this house coming soon. Just finishing up. See you on the next one.